Hi guys, Annika with MarineMax Nisswa. We are on a brand new 2026 Premier 230 Solaris, and I just want to show you guys a few of my favorite features about this boat. Starting off in the bow, we have the clear door. It's great if you have your pets on board so they can enjoy the water just as much as you are. Then we have our dinette lounge area. It's a perfect way for all of you to sit up here and still communicate easily throughout your boating day. Coming up to the dash area, we have our two SIMRAD screens that you can look at your maps as well as your gauges while you're going on the water all day. Another great feature about the helm area is that you have this hidden trash and paper towel holder, along with some storage in the back so that you can put all your stuff and goods in here and have it be put away. Coming to the back, we have our stowaway table. It's great for when you want to get those snacks out, but when it's not snack time, you can easily take it out and put it under the seat, and then it leaves you more room. Come check out this boat today at MarineMax Nisswa.